Okay, ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 292, exercise 11, level 1. It reads like this.
Acute lymphangitis, right upper arm, due to group A streptococcal infection.
Okay, again, the problem reads like this. Acute lymphangitis, right upper arm, due to group A streptococcal infection. Okay, now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the ICD-10 code for this. 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the answer. LO3.123 and B95.0. The first code is for the infection and the second code is for the agent causing the infection, right? You got it? If you got it, then just go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's give you a few tips. Okay, first tip.
You need 2 codes, 1 for the infection and 2 for the agent causing the infection.
Right, that's a rule in these cases. 1 for the infection, right? It usually ends with itis. And 2 is for the agent, the virus or bacteria that causes the infection, right? Now, the second one.
For the second code, start with streptococcus.
Right, with the name that you have here in the description, streptococcus. That's the name of the agent. Okay, now the third tip.
Upper arm is upper limb.
Right, where you are looking for it, you're going to find upper limb. And upper limb is upper arm, okay? So with these tips, try to get the path to the 2 answers. The answers that you're aiming for are LO3.123 and B95.0. Okay, I'm going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. The problem is acute lymphangitis, right upper arm, due to group A streptococcal infection. There are 2 codes. The first code for the infection is found through the index like this. Can you point where I'm going? There you go. Code 1 through the index is found like this, right? So explain it, please.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to lymphangitis.
Lymphangitis.
Then you go to acute.
Acute.
Then you go to arm.
Go to arm. And what did it tell you there?
C. Lymphangitis, acute upper limb.
C. Lymphangitis, acute upper limb. You're already in lymphangitis acute, so you go to
upper limb.
Upper limb. You look for upper limb right there, and you get what?
L03.12.
With
a hyphen.
A hyphen, meaning that there's one more character that you have to find out in tabular, right? So we're going to check this code and find out the extra character in tabular. So the code 1 through tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to tabular.
Then you go to L03.
You start with the 3 first characters, right? Always. And what is that?
Acute lymphangitis.
All right. And then add one more character.
L03.1. Other parts of limb.
Other parts of limb. And then you keep adding.
L03.12. Acute.
Acute. Right. And the last digit.
L03.123. Right upper limb.
Which is the right arm, right? The one that we're looking. And so that confirms our first code, right? That's what the equal sign there. Now we're going to find now the agent, the reason why there's an infection, right? So that's the code 2, and the code 2 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to index.
Then you go to streptococcus, streptococcal.
Streptococcal.
Group.
Go to group.
Go to group first. Then you go to A.
Go to A.
As cause of disease classified elsewhere.
You see, they're telling you that the infection has to have a different code, which already we found that, right? So that's the code that we get, B95.0. We get that code through the index. Now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 2 through the tabular goes like this.
First you go to tabular.
Tabular.
Then you go to B95, streptococcus.
That's a streptococcus. And then?
B95.0 is Group A.
Group A, which is exactly what we wanted, right? So that's the equal sign, means we double check this second code. So the answer is L03.123, comma, B95.0. Okay? So thanks for watching, and please visit our website. Thank you.